viewers, thank you for coming to my channel. The lymphatic massage helps to maintain a balanced fluid level in our bodies. It also removes cellular waste and protects our body against illness-causing invaders. If the lymphatic system is working poorly, it could cause a series of illnesses and cause swelling. Let's continue to clear out this area. Split your fingers and massage your ears. Your lymphatic system sits right underneath the skin, so you do not need to press very deeply. Spread our fingers apart, leaving a gap between the third and fourth fingers. Massage the area under and above the collarbone. This is the end of the lymphatic vessels, and we want to make sure the exit is not trapped or clogged. That is why this massage is so important. The lymph leaves the lymphatic system here and enters the veins. We like to confirm that it is properly circulating. Now, we are going to use the side of the index finger to scrape our head from the center to the side. We will slowly work our way downward. Here, I prefer to apply pressure. This movement lessens the chance of drooping eyelids. Do this to have proper circulation in this area. When you have good circulation, it will prevent wrinkles around the eyes. Use the soft side of the index finger. We are slowly working our way downward. There are so many benefits to this massage, including sinus pressure. This area is called SI17 pressure point. Use the side of the pinky and do a scraping motion starting from the ear to the SI17 pressure point of the neck. Using the two fingers, slide down to the huge depression right on top of the collarbone. Now switch to the other side. Try to inhale when arms go up and exhale when arms go down. This should relax your shoulder and your neck. We worked hard today. Let's enjoy this movement and relax. Please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!